Hi everyone. Now today we are going to see the 12th class syllabus and the question paper pattern. Now in unit 1 we are having Python PC2. In Python we will deal with functions, file handling. First we will start with the revision of basic of Python. Then we will do functions, file handling using Python libraries, then idea of efficiency, recursion, data structures and data visualization. So questions will be asked from these all topics in our board 12th computer science CBSE board exam. Then the unit 2 is having computer network. In this all the different structures of network, the network stacks, all the devices, topologies, basic network tools, application layers. So computer network is our unit 2. Next is unit 3, database management, in which we have all the SQL commands, all the different types of commands from DDL, DML, TCL, all these commands are there, as well as Python SQL connectivity questions will come from unit 3. And unit 4 is society, law and ethics. From this, all the different, last year also you have learned in class 11, all the threats and all the security measures. So here you will learn all the threats, all the security measures, how e-waste management is to be done, what are the different identity thefts, what are the privacy laws, and at the end you are having gender and disability issues. So all the gender issues and all the disability issues. So we are having total 4 units this year in CBSE class 12th computer science. So from the 4 units the question will be framed here. So we will go through the revision portion now. So first we are doing the computer revision of class 11th class. So here you are having the Python revision. Python is a computer language. It is a powerful high level language and it is an interpreted language. It is widely used general purpose high level programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python has two basic modes, interactive mode and script mode. Already you have learned in class 11. Interactive mode means you will type the command, you will execute it that time only, and script mode you will save the program using py extension and afterwards you can see those programs. So we will do it ideally or Python ideally, or you can use Jupyter, Spider. There are many in mobile. You can use Pydroid 3 for practicals. Now first, this we have done in 11th class. Using print command, we were printing hello world or any output you can print using print commands. This will be the output on the screen. Next is how to declare and define a variable. So any variables you can directly declare it like a equals to 10 or c equals to a plus b, and after that we can use those variables here. Now together if you want to declare many variables at a different together, so here you can write d comma e equals to 2 comma 3, means d will have the value of 2 and e will have the value of 3. Now output formatting. Output formatting means when you want to display the output, in which format you want to display. Suppose a string you want to use. So here you have written the addition of A and B is. C is a variable, so not in quotes. So here you can see the addition of A and B is. C is a variable, so value is printed. Next is the addition of A is outside quote, B is outside quote. So here you will find the value of A and B is there. And then you are having the %d, so the value of A and B, and here also we are using this d. Clear? Now next is a string you can declare directly. Name equals to, in single quote or in double quotes you will write the string. Then age equals to value, integer value, and then a float value can assign to a variable. Now all the basics, accepting input without prompt. So if you don't write anything, simply the prompt will be there, and if you write the value it will be taken as input and it will print. With the prompt means there will be a prompt. So you enter your name, a prompt is there, and you will enter the name and it will print. Next is a formatted input. So here you can see a formatted input like integer, it is converted into integer, or a string. Whenever we are entering input, enter a value, it is in string form. If you write int in front of it, it is converted into int. If you write float in front of it, it is converted into float. So here integer value, int input, enter the integer number, float value, float input, enter the float number. Now next are the keywords in Python. This is just a revision tour, so I am just hurrying because already in 11th class you have studied all these things. So just we are going through it. So here keywords, there are 33 keywords. So all this keywords, if, for, while, and, or, all these are keywords which the compiler uses. So we cannot use as identifiers. Next is the operators in Python. You might have studied last year what are tokens. Clear? 5 types of tokens were there. So these all are the tokens. Tokens are the smallest flexible unit in a program. Now here 5 tokens, one by one, keyword they have explained, then operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity operator. So all the arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, floor division, all these are arithmetic operators. Next is your relational operator, in which it is equal to, not equal to, less than, this is also not equals to, then greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Now next you are having the how to write it. So this already you know how to assign a value. The variable which will take the value is on the left side, and the formula or the expression or the value which is given to the variable is on the right hand side. Next, now here you can see there are some shortcuts here. So here these all are also operators. Here with equal to sign it is written equality operator. Now plus equals to will add the shortcut, like C equals to C plus A, you can write here C plus equals to A. Then C minus equals to A. C star equals to A. Means what it will do? It is actually C equals to C into A. So like this all the operators are given here. Now logical operator, and, or, not. 3 logical operators we will do. It returns true and false. And means when both the inputs are true, then only it will return true, otherwise it will return all false. Or means when any one is true, it will return true. And not means just it will flip. That is, if it is true, it will make false. If it is false, it will make true. Then the bitwise addition, subtraction, right hand. Now membership operators. 2 membership operators you have done, in and not in. Like if x in, yeah, for x in list. Means if x is present in list, then it will do that work, otherwise it will not do. So here in operator and not in. These two are membership operators. Now next is your identity operator, is and not is. In this, is means like if A and B are equal, equality operator means both are equal. If you have written if A is B, then it will execute. If both are not same, then it will not execute. So this is equality operator. Next is how the outputs are displayed. Now see, one is type function, one is ID function. Here ID will return the memory address where it is stored in memory, that it will return. So here ID function they have given. Now flow of control. So flow of control I will explain in a different video because it is a long thing. All the different types, if, for, while, everything I have to explain. Then list also I will explain in different video. List, tuple, dictionary, separate videos I will make. So this is the revision of class 11th, and you all know from revision portion the identifiers are asked, which are the valid identifiers, invalid identifiers are asked, then theory questions are asked. Random was also there in class 11, so one video of random I will make. So random will also be asked, then output questions will be asked, module name will be asked. So these all will be asked from 11th portion. So here you are having all the different questions. I will share you all the board questions in my next video. So thank you, have a nice day. I think you will be satisfied with it. Have a nice day. Bye.